In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the login errors in Marvel Rivals. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Open Windows Security. Open Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Domain Network. Now disable the Microsoft Defender firewall. Press Yes. Go back to the firewall options. Click on Private Network. Disable the firewall. Press Yes. Go back. Click on Public Network. Disable the firewall. Press Yes. If you want to re-enable your firewall, just click on Restore Settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.